Okay, question I. A sketch of the curve x to the 8 plus 4y, x to the 6 plus 6y squared, x to the 4 plus 4y cubed, x squared plus y to the 4, or squared, equals 1. Is given below in which of the following graphs? Okay, so normally when I do graph questions at MAT, I always tell you guys to, look at the limits of functions or, try to sum in some values or whatsoever, right? But I think this question, there's a better approach. I think going for algebra is actually much better. All right, so what can we observe? If you look at the coefficients of these guys, this might look horrendous, right? This thingy. But if you look at the coefficients, does it remind you of something? 14641. Probably sounds familiar, yeah? It's the Pascal's triangle, right? It's one of the rows in Pascal's triangle. Good. So this is probably something to the power 4 then, right? This is the the 4 row for the Pascal triangle. So these, the first and the last terms, they give you hints as to what the terms are, right? So x to the 8, that means it's x squared. Y to the 4, that means that's y, right? That exactly gives you that expansion there. So this squared equals 1. Cool. Okay, so therefore what do I have? Then I have x squared plus y to the 8 equals to 1. Cool. Okay, so if you have something to the power 8 equals to 1, then you know there are only two solutions, right? There's only 1 and minus 1 as the solutions, right? Because all the other solutions are complex, right? If you learn some further maths, if you think of the Argand diagram, right? If you take the roots of unity of 8, then you just rotate 45 degrees every single time, right? So there's only 1 and minus 1, right? Only 1 and minus 1, does not touch the complex part of the Argand diagram. Yeah. So x squared plus y is only 1 or minus 1. Cool. Okay, so that should give you a very good idea of what these curves are. Yeah. So it's two negative quadratics with different maximum points, right? So I think the answer would be C. Yeah, because you have two negative quadratics. This one will be 1, this one will be negative 1, which correspond to your two quadratics that you have here. Yeah? So, final answer, C. One of the rare questions where algebra works better than actually looking at the graphs.